Only 10% of the world's population carry the hero gene. My only question for you is, are you the 10%?
By the show of hands, how many of you want to be leaders or think you are? Okay. Now, keep your hands up, because here's my question. Keep your hands up. I'm talking to you. If we were to follow you right now, where are we going? If we were to follow you right now, think about what I just said. You're a leader. Where are we going? Listen. You get on social media and you say, I want followers. Where are we going? Or you just want people to look at you. Oh, so we got an instant gratification problem. Don't confuse leadership with eyeballs and popularity, because I'm gonna tell you the truth. Leadership looks like being a dad. Leadership looks like being a mom. Leadership looks like a teacher, a principal. Look at all these people, and I'm gonna tell you something. They all look stressed out. Look at your teachers right now. All of them look tired. But why? Why? I'm gonna tell you why. Because every single day you have to get up and lead by example, yet you are tired, yet you are hurt. Leadership is not fun. It's not fun. It's work. Some of you may come into class thinking you know everything. And let me tell you something, maybe you do. Because the way the internet is, sometimes you may sit in class and you have all this information, you're exposed to a lot. But listen to me and listen to me clear. Don't confuse knowledge with wisdom, because wisdom is knowledge applied.
He's so influential. He made me realize that you have to really want to work for your dream.
Well, I finally met the motivator, TMoore, which is great.
TMoore is my go. I want him at my graduation.
This has encouraged me to try even harder when I feel like I can't.
He's larger than life. His presence is enough.
The motivator is the future, and he's also in the process making history.
Best superhero I've ever seen.